top 3 underrated power user features in Linux Mint Cinnamon that might surprise you. If you've ever dismissed Linux Mint as just a beginner distro, you're not alone. Many experienced Linux users start with something flashy, like Arch-based setups or heavily customized KDE Plasma, assuming Mint's Cinnamon desktop is too simple or limited for serious workflows. But after digging deeper, especially with a stable Ubuntu base and ongoing improvements in recent versions, it's clear Cinnamon packs some genuinely powerful, practical tools that often fly under the radar. Here are 3 standout features that can transform how you work in Linux Mint Cinnamon. These are accessible through the built-in settings and community resources, making them perfect for power users who value efficiency without constant tinkering.
1. Nemo Actions. Supercharge your right-click context menu. Nemo, Cinnamon's file manager, lets you extend the right-click menu with actions, also called Nemo Actions. These add smart, context-aware options for files and folders. Out of the box, you can enable built-in actions via System Settings, Actions. Examples include converting image formats or copying file names paths to the clipboard. Many require dependencies like ImageMagick or xclip. Install them first for the options to appear and function properly. Check the Cinnamon Spices site for details on each action. The real power comes from custom actions. Create plain text files with a Nemo Action extension in Local Share Nemo Actions. You can write bash scripts or commands to automate tasks like opening selected files folders in your favorite editor or terminal, batch renaming, compressing, or converting files, running custom workflows, for example, uploading to a server or processing media.
These actions integrate seamlessly and work on the desktop too, since Nemo handles it. Community repositories like GitHub collections from users offer ready-made examples to adapt. This turns Nemo into a highly productive hub, reducing the need to open terminals or extra apps for common tasks.
Number 2, built-in multi-touch gestures for touchpads and touch screens. Cinnamon includes one of the most straightforward and customizable gesture systems on Linux desktops, enabled since around Mint 21.2 with improvements in later releases. It's often overlooked because it's disabled by default and tucked away. Go to System Settings, Gestures, search for it, or find it under Preferences. You'll see a clean interface listing swipe, pinch, and tap gestures for 2 to 5 fingers. It supports both touchpads and touch screens, with some gestures exclusive to one or the other. Defaults are practical, like 3-finger swipes for workspace switching, but you can remap them to tile or maximize windows, control media playback, volume, or brightness, launch apps, show the desktop, or run custom terminal commands, bash scripts.
This makes laptops feel more modern and fluid. Many users find Cinnamon's implementation more intuitive and reliable for everyday use than the default gesture support in GNOME or even some KDE setups, especially with its graphical configuration. Tip: hardware support depends on your device and drivers, but Mint's Ubuntu Foundation handles most laptops well. Number 3, deep customization with GTK themes and spices. While Cinnamon looks straightforward at first, it offers surprising flexibility. You can make it look and feel almost anything, from a Mac OS-like setup to a sleek, modern aesthetic. Themes. Download GTK themes from GNOME-look.org or the Cinnamon Spices site. Extract them to stilda.themes/ and apply via System Settings, Themes. Cinnamon, being GTK-based, works beautifully with many community themes. Look for ones with GTK 3.4 support. Pair them with icon packs, window borders, and controls for full cohesion. Spices. Beyond themes, browse applets, panel add-ons, desklets, desktop widgets, extensions, and more directly in System Settings. Install them with one click. No manual Git clones needed for most. You can tweak panels, applets, hot corners, keyboard shortcuts, and window behaviors extensively. It strikes a balance, familiar and stable like a traditional desktop, but deeply personalizable without breaking things.
Why these features matter. Linux Mint Cinnamon earns its reputation for stability and ease of use, but these tools show it's far from basic. Nemo Actions brings scriptable automation to your fingertips. Gestures boost laptop productivity, and theming/spices let you tailor the experience without chasing bleeding-edge distros. If you're coming from more advanced setups, try Mint again, especially the latest Cinnamon edition. You might discover it's the reliable, powerful daily driver you've been overlooking. Have you tried any of these? Share your favorite customizations in the comments.